just wanted to add that I have come in here every once in a while and working around my schedule while working. Not working with a lot of money, but effectively, you know, scalping and doing the 2 minutes, the stuff that you've taught me. And I just came in here and in 15 minutes made 6% on my account. So been trying to do this every once in a while, but I'm aiming for the 1 to 3%, and it's been working out pretty well so far. So hoping to keep that going.
Yeah,
And I
great.
appreciate all the help.
Yeah, nice job, man. Proud of you. You're doing good. That's really good. That's huge, actually. Nice job. That's why I always try to say, right, those base hits will turn into home runs. We just have to make sure we're entering at the right time. We're protecting those assets and we're letting them go, right? Let the runners run and leave them alone.
I made some initial, I joined you back in August. There was maybe like 100 people on this call.
Yeah.
And I made a couple mistakes back then and still trying to work it out. I'm not a VIP member, but I'm hoping, I keep doing this strategy that I'm doing here and get there one day. So
Yeah, absolutely. And it's something to work towards, I feel like, you know what I mean? Because especially when you spend that kind of money, because for some people, I mean, the value you get from it over a 365-day period, 222 trading days, right? You guys can hear in here the difference, the laser focus, the paying attention, the prepping, the getting you strategized and ready for the day. Like as soon as the gate opens, bang, you guys are moving. VIP members, there was 130 of you in here today. How was it today? How was your trading today? Are you getting better? Are you finding value add from the VIP? Does it make sense? Is it worth $2,500?
Yes, and it's non-fattening.
100%.
absolutely.
Absolutely, Coach.
Sugar-free and
100%.
I'm telling you, it's a confidence builder. It's a confidence booster. It is the key to building your account slowly. Absolutely.
Appreciate that.